It's been steady, and right now we're at a 38.6% voter turnout, and that's real good. I'm anticipating about a 60% turnout overall, and for a midterm election, that's a good turnout. Well, there was one thing that one problem that we had this morning in precinct 231, and we were having issues with both of the optical scanners, and the procedure, if they're jamming, is to put the ballots into the auxiliary bin. And then at 7 o'clock at night, we would then rescan those. But they ended up not putting them in the right bin. And as a result, we're going to bring all of those ballots back here tonight and rescan them right here. This is going to be a close race in maybe several of the races, and every vote does make a difference. Every vote counts, and you better get out there and vote, because some of the races could be close.
Wonderful. Not many people there yet. I imagine I came in after the people who work were there, but very easy parking, and it's right in my neighborhood. I am voting basically for the governor, who I chose, and I'm also voting for many of the amendments.
Just the fact that I think it's important to vote. No particular issue per se that required me to come out today. I vote every year and I make sure to do so.
I mean, I came out to vote for Charlie Crist, I think, more than anything else. And my friend Todd Underhill, which is on the ballot for which I didn't even know until last night, so I voted for him as well. I think it's important to vote. A lot of people are pretty disillusioned by the two major parties. But certainly, I mean, voting is the most important thing we can do on this Tuesday, especially for younger people who tend to not vote as much.
It's a beautiful day. There's no excuses why people can't be out and vote today.
It's important to come out to vote. I believe it's our constitutional right and duty to do so, regardless of what party or what affiliation that you're in. I think that it's right to do so and to support our country and make sure that if we want change, we need to do that by voting.